Hello and welcome to DTW Tutorials. Welcome. Okay, so this message is for my mommies and daddies. Okay, and if you have any sibling, okay, you're on my channel, you have any sibling who is in primary 5, primary 6, wants to do common entrance. Okay, so common entrance application has started. Okay, I hope you know common entrance is by NECO into federal unity schools. That's secondary schools like your federal government colleges and all, okay, around Nigeria. So registration has started, so I'm sure your child's school would already start prepping you. Oh, okay, pay this fee, pay that, get these books, get all those things. So please, why I'm doing this is to get them, let them start preparing now. All right, because the exams are usually around June. So, and I want to tell you that DTW, we have I have two things for you. Okay, now the first one is free, which is our DTW channel for juniors. Okay, it's called DTW Tutorials Junior. Okay, DTW Tutorials Junior. Okay, so when you search for that on YouTube, you would see videos I've done. Okay, maths videos, especially if your child is finding maths difficult. Okay, maths videos I've done, common entrance past questions I have solved and explained. Okay, you're going to see those videos there for your child to watch. All right, and the second thing is that you can get the DTW common entrance app. Okay, this app is going to prepare them for the exam. It has all their past questions in it. Okay, it's digital format. Your child can read well. You can, if you want him to focus on a topic you see he has weaknesses in, you can put an exam on that topic alone for him and check his progress. You can download this on his, if you have a laptop for him or his own personal tablet. And beautiful thing, it works offline, so you don't need to be worried about, if I leave him now, he would go online without me being there. It works perfectly offline, so safe. So without the internet, you can tell him to practice your verbal, quantitative, maths, English, basic science. There is all in the app. Okay, so, and it costs 4,000 naira to activate it for a year, and it has other beautiful features, beautiful learning, gamified environment to help teach them multiplications, and several other wonderful things. So I want you to get the DTW common entrance app. You can WhatsApp me, I'll send the link to you. Okay, so thank you, and don't forget, your child is destined to win. All right, and finally, always know that Jesus is coming. What I tell them in my video, because I know it won't be kids that will watch this video, but I always tell them they should be good boys, good girls. Okay, and honor, respect mommy and daddy, and also don't bully kids. Be good to their sibling, and the Lord will definitely reward and bless them. Okay, so for mommy and daddies out there, I would say also that Jesus Christ is coming soon. Please do give your life to Christ, for he's the way, he's the truth, and he's the life. All right, so get your kids ready for common entrance 2025. If you also have kids in junior, doing the junior BEC exams, we also have the DTW junior WAEC app. All right, you can just go to Google Play Store to download it. If you want it on the laptop, on their laptops, okay, just contact me, my WhatsApp number, and I'll send the link where they can download on their laptop, and you activate it. It costs 4,000 naira, then they start practicing. Okay, so thank you so much, and get them, start prepping now. Don't wait till rush hour, because I know it's rush hour. It's when it's what month? May. From April, May, that's when I start having calls for common entrance. Oh, my child. We also do online classes, so one-on-one online private tutoring. So contact me if you're also interested in that. We'll prep them for the examination, and you need no worry. Okay, we're going to do that for you at DTW Tutorials. All right, so thank you, and yeah, that's it. So see you. You are destined to win.